CLO should be reporting to the CEO or the business side of the organization with a dotted line to the other. And the reason why I say that is, if you actually look at the 5 roles that the chief learning officer has to perform, he or she must be the cultural custodian, he or she must be the change management champion, he or she must be the leadership officer, he or she must be the talent manager, he or she must be the capability manager. No, there is no way the person can perform these roles if they do not have a direct buy-in with the stakeholder being the CEO. And that's the main function. So the reporting should be aligned to the business head or the organization head. And therefore, the natural career path of a chief learning officer is not the CHRO route, but the actual business head. And in an evolved organization, that is the real role. But today we do not have organizations with that kind of an evolution, and therefore it may be necessary for the chief learning officer to wear the hat of a chief human resource officer or a CHRO before he or she moves into the actual CEO role or COO role as the organization may prorogate. But the real path is through COO or CEO.